Shanghai hzzdwincome Company, Ltd., is a trading company based in Hangzhou. The company's employees have 20 years of professional textile experience, particularly in the production of jackets. They have their own sampling room and collaborate with numerous high-quality factories in Zhejiang. Introducing our Camo Windbreaker Jacket. Made from high-quality windproof material, this jacket offers excellent protection against strong winds, making it the ideal choice for outdoor activities or everyday wear. The elastic hem and cuffs ensure a snug fit, keeping you comfortable and protected from the elements. You can customize the jacket to your liking, adding a unique touch that reflects your personal style. Jiangsu, Shandong, Anhui, Hubei, and Jiangxi. This diverse network of factories allows for flexible production capabilities, accommodating both large and small orders throughout the year. The company prides itself on its fast response times for sample development and production, as well as its ability to provide on-time delivery and maintain reasonable quality standards. Shanghai hzzdwincome Company, Limited also has its own experienced technicians in the factories, ensuring quality control and addressing any production issues in real time. The company aims to support its customers in achieving a competitive position in their markets by offering reasonable prices and providing additional services such as design, sales, finishing, and after-sales support. Their product range includes down-filled garments, poly-filled padding garments, work jacket, technical outdoor jackets, PU leather jacket, Letterman jacket, sports and casual jackets. The company has successfully collaborated with renowned companies in the USA, Canada, Italy, and Germany. They are committed to providing suggestions and solutions to help their clients grow and strengthen their businesses. Shanghai hzzdwincome Company, Ltd., looks forward to the opportunity to meet and cooperate with potential partners. Discover the quality and style of us. Subscribe for more fashion insights and product showcases. Click now to stay connected with the latest trends.